I continue my journey all the way to Achimswell Road, Achimswell Road Secondary School, Akis. And finally finished my education in Achimoda Atefa Secondary. Remember, who come here and Zapoma and University. But to my own surprise, now me name secondary schools, any school, national IO, national anthem, school Nagazadio. St. Francis, to be an New York. Achimswell, to be an New York. Atefa, Timmy Call Radio, you remember me and program be a secondary school for Tom national anthem. Say, the school for someone national anthem. The school me go another man go school, no go. So it is just by the grace of God that has brought me here. To Wahana Uko School. A dear teacher for any parent, I'm very serious. I was very touched with the message of the chairperson for this occasion. He made mention of being disciplined. It is the key to success. If you want to be successful in life, you must be a disciplined person. And because of social media, which has invaded Ghana, most of our young guys are very disrespectful. Messi say asema chairperson kind. Mama mfa de trakeke. Enipa bi opeso di obraboma. E wo se wo di opuo ne ani die emam penifo. Oman eni obi osi wo pani na mpo utipen. So wanya ne sa wa bi se ja. Ewiase no so pa na so anhwe a na wa nkom. Enti asem na chairperson for this event ekaye no. Mamu ntieni sa akeke. Move to Muko to Gum, I'm from Mumbra. Mungo Shane, a student of that secondary school. It's say, so one bro once here, be soon, Mumpijao. Amen. Okay.